Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question writing. Task 2. Let's start. Maintaining public library is a waste of the money since the computer technology can replace their functions. Do you agree or disagree? Let's start. There are those who argue that there is no need to spend money on maintaining of the public libraries since the computer can do the same work better. In my opinion, public libraries are still worth that for what they can offer for to their users. BP1. To start with, it is a fact to say that computers have a lot of the function that can over traditional bookshops through their ability to save a huge amount of knowledge and as to the surf and find what the user want. In comparison to bookstore, but public bookshop are still more reliable and confident by their old reputation and importance in this section. For example, digital information still exposed to some risks by any malfunctions or hacking, while bookstores deliver the original sources of information like old books to the user, which give the more value and a sense of the liability to this knowledge. BP2. Moreover, the public bookstores still have real value in some regions and in some societies, like developing countries that did not reach that level, which can depend on computerizing information. In addition, some pair of the flock stays favorite these bookshops, especially elderly people who are facing some difficulty in dealing with new technology. Public bookstore consider their only refuse to reap what they need from the knowledge and provide perfect environment to those who feel lonely by communicating with others. Furthermore, public archives, especially old ones, consider a part of the history and have academic and historical value for the society. To conclude, in spite of all the fundamental function that computer provides, especially in the book sector and collection of the data, I personally find that the libraries are still worth anything to do for it and disagree with this statement. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update about the IDP examination based question.